This is That Fire Guy, and welcome to Fire Alarms 101. And in today's video, we will go over how to reset an alarm on your Radionics fire alarm panel. Step 1. Locate and reset the device causing the alarm. In this case, it is a first floor pull station. Then go to your annunciator, type in your code, and press the ENT button to silence the panel. Step 3. Type in your code again, then press the command, then press the number 4, then press the number 7 button to reset the alarm. After the alarm has been reset, alarm silenced will remain on the display. Step 4. Type in your code and press the ESC key. This will clear the display. Be sure to notify the proper authorities that your testings or repairs are completed and verify your signals with Central Station. Be safe out there, everyone, and thanks for watching. Drop a comment below and let me know what you all think, and be sure to subscribe for more great videos like this in the future.